Let me see if I can get your picture. You look so funny. Just on the camera. Person. Really? I think she would get bam. Hey, Brett, say cheese. Oh my gosh. You're so funny. What do you think, Brett? Is it good?
Can I feed the monkey?
No, you can't feed the monkeys. I mean, the only way you feed them is going to scream into you.
Get stuff out of your hair.
You might not have that clip out.
They eat my hair.
Yeah, she saw
You got nuts in there.
I need to get a new one.
Although he eyeing you.
Hands going back over to her.
Just stay on Mama's back. Keep looking on it.
Wait, I want to
Where's my food?
Aren't I beautiful? I know. What
Get
about
it.
me? Yeah.
I got it. Hey, don't take my hat. Don't get that. Get out of my ear. And nothing in my ears.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, go to him. Hey, no, that. Get out of there. There's nothing up there. It's just sweaty. Okay. I guess. I don't know. Yeah. Hey, you're violating me. Under the tree. Tree. There we go. Oh,
Oh, so cute.
hand was in my mouth. Some money.
Is that right, Mom?
Yeah.
Oh.